Yes, last homework. Done? Not done.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, done, but
Not
I
shared
was-
in the group yet. I
Yes,
did
ma'am.
not see. So
Ma'am.
today I was just supposed to do this exercise. I am supposed to do this extension because it's an important exercise. Yes, so can I see some cameras on switched on mode? So don't like all red. Need to see some faces before starting. Quickly. Need to see certain faces, everyone. Yes, so Ishika is always the first one to obey the orders. Thank you, Ishika. So it's very good. Yeah, even Kavya Rajesh, at least always running from college and classes. There is always a connection through Kavya, I'll say. Always there's a message that I will be able to attend at this time or no or yes. So this is good. Yes, Mayur, you too. Good performance, but right now I'm unable to see you on the WhatsApp group. Why is it so? Do you stop working or what, Mayur?
No, ma'am, I'm working.
Working, but I can't feel you on the WhatsApp group. Earlier I used to. What happened?
Ma'am, I not sent. I will send you.
So it's important. है ना? Khadija, chalo, good. Kushi, very good. Some more cameras switched on. Or you want everyone, every time, someone on your head to put your cameras on switched on. All right. So now can we start? Yes. So I'll check with your homework later on. So I just don't know what you have done or what you have not done. But still, I feel like let's start with the exercise. Let's again take a target. So within 2 hours, how much could we do in the class itself as per the instruction of the faculty and as per the demand of the question. So you know your exams are approaching. So now we don't have to learn any basics. Fine, all the fundamentals, they're already done. So now it's time for practice. It's time to solve questions. It's time to understand a question and work as per the requirement of the question, and that too within the time limit without getting nervous. That is very important. All right. So we started with the design exercise in the last class. So I'll just consider, yes, a lot of you responded within the class, but I'm sorry, I did not see a lot of homework. So I'll just forget about the homework. So I have to continue from where I stopped. So today we will be doing somewhat like 2-in-1, 3-in-1, or 4-in-1 kind of exercise. So I think we had a discussion in the last class that what is this design exercise all about? How do they judge you? You know, they judge your direct creative thinking, that what actually you think of a topic given to you. So what visual comes to your mind? How do you present it just with a pencil or by using colors? So I think last class we focused more on using a pencil. Is it so? Did we use colors in the last class?
No,
ma'am.
I don't think so. Did we use colors in the last? No.
No,
So
ma'am.
today we will make sure that we are doing one single topic, but 3 kind of exercise. So we will visually illustrate and we will also try to create grids out of them. Can we do that? Yes. So should I start now? All ready? So
Yes,
I'll
ma'am.
just focus on the board and then I'll come back to your homework. Yes. So I hope all of you celebrated a good Diwali this time. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Weekday
ma'am.
1, I am very happy you shared a lot of work, a lot of rangolis, a lot of decorations in weekday 1. Yes, I saw that. So that was really very interesting. And other groups, you could also have shared that you were happy and you could have shared that you were creative during Diwali. Yes, so that you could have. Did you all started following the Insta page of AFA? Yes or no? Yes or no? So those who started, they must have seen that your works, they were posted on Insta. Yes. So it was very good, good moment for us to, announce that our students, they are creative, right? So let's start. So all I need is again your cartridge sheet, your colors, and 3 by 3-inch boxes on your cartridge sheets. Still people are joining, but I have to start now, so I can't wait. So I'm erasing everything. So the first thing, again, what are we going to do today? So it is again our design exercise, right? Number 1. So we had a discussion regarding this design exercise that it may be the visual representation of any topic given to you. It may be with geometrical shapes, without geometrical shape, with colors, without colors, grids, anything. So let's do how to deal with one single question for today. So what we take is, let's take the topic is any festival of your choice. So we will take any festival of your choice. You say it is Diwali, Dussehra, Christmas, Lori, or Pongal, Onam, whatever, Bihu, anything, any festival of your choice. And I would prefer that you take festival which is most celebrated in your place, in your state, in your country, so that you have to check. So I'm not writing a single festival. So that you will take, and what we are going to do. So first, so this is my first 3x3-inch box. Okay, 3-inch by 3-inch. So here I'll visually draw my festival. Can I draw my festival? So I just thought of celebrating Rakhi here. You know, I just thought, let me celebrate Rakhi here. Can I take it or not? Class,
Yes,
please
ma'am.
respond. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
I do it this way, plus, okay, I divided my space, so I am also going to take some colors. So this is my visual representation of, so I'll just write also. Please use good typographical skill. Don't just write running hand as you are writing in your copies. So I write this. All right. And you have to color it, right? So next what we do, so this I would request that you take somewhat like 4 inches by 4. You do, see, please look at me. Divide this into half. Please look at me, it's very important. Divide this into half. Then I'll divide this into half. Divide this into half. Divide this into half. Again, this into half, this and this. Maybe this. Done. What is this? Tell me. Why did I draw this? What is this? We had a discussion regarding this in the last class. What is this?
You have to fill color in it?
Yes. So what do you call it? It's a kind of grid. It's a kind of geometrical grid. So where, see, here we have drawn, but here we are not going to draw anything. We will just transfer the colors used here as per their importance in this grid. Fine. So this is my grid number 1. Number 2. So this is my exercise starts from here. This is A. Now this is B and C. So I am taking exercise number C here. So what I do is understand, you know. So don't be confused and don't be afraid. So we are taking one question and we are trying to solve 3 different ways where you can see that one single question can be asked in 3 different ways. All right. So I am drawing this. So this I will take approximately, deliberately I'm going to 7 by 7 centimeter. Okay. Now, why are you taking this? Now I'm going to divide this area. 1 meter.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
My voice is not clear?
Again, yes, ma'am. Network is
Okay,
breaking up.
I will. Just a moment. I will. What is this again? What did I create?
Ma'am, grid.
So this is also a grid. So this is a grid, this is a grid, this is a direct representation of a topic given to you. So this is a visual representation of the topic given to you. So we are taking one topic and we will solve 3 different questions. Did you understand? What is the dimension of this box?
3 by 3 inches.
3 by
3 by 3 inches. Dimension of this box?
4 by 4
4 by
inches.
4 by 4 inches.
Dimension of this box?
7 centimeters.
7 centimeter by 7 centimeter divided into 1 centimeter each. So this is 1 centimeter each.
Okay.
All right. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
I am talking about Rakhi. So it is a festival. What do you understand by a festival? Please tell me. What do you understand? What is a festival? Are we happy once we say festival? Do we have that happy feeling inside us?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Do we feel that excitement the moment we say festival,
festival. Yes, ma'am.
right? So what should be the colors of festival?
Bright color.
Bright colors. So what do you mean by those bright colors?
Ma'am, yellow, orange,
Red.
See, I am
Red.
writing about colors here. So you said, let's take yellow because this is the color of celebration. See, we cannot say that it is maths. It is simple funda. Why? The moment I say festival, so I feel happy, I feel exciting. The moment you feel excitement, that means you are full of energy. And the moment you are energetic, so you will take what colors? Warm colors. Okay? Warm colors. So you said yellow, then what colors? Please tell me. Yellow, what
Red.
else?
Red.
It can be red, but limit the use of red. I am putting this in the bracket. Limit the use of red. Red. If you will use it in more than required, it will turn your artwork negative.
yes, ma'am.
So I am not saying do not use or use it in less quantity, but I'll say limit it as per your thought process. What may be the colors? What more
Orange.
colors? Yes. So it can be orange
Orange.
and
Pink.
yes, it can be pink.
Ma'am, green,
Which green?
Light green.
light
Yeah,
green.
so just remember whatever I'm going to say right now. The moment you say green, so this concept, please remember this. How do you create green? How do you create green? By mixing what colors?
Blue plus yellow.
Blue plus yellow. Okay? Blue is a cool color, yellow is a warm color. Fine. So when majority of yellow is more in a green, that is a brighter green. Yellow green kind of thing, shiny green. So when yellow is more, that green can be used for all celebration and happy mood, right? When blue is more in a green, we are using less yellow and more of blue, then that green will become
Darker.
darker. So darker means, what do you mean by darker? Darker means matured green.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
matured green. So once you have to show something like which may be gloomy, which is very experienced, something like struggle or matured, then you have to show somewhat like a night, may you wanted to show somewhat like green. So then you have to use green where more of blue is there. But where you have to show anything which is positive, happy going, celebrating, so you have to use where yellow is more in a green, right? So what green should we use here? What green should we use here?
The one with
Light.
Light green. So I'm writing light green. Please check your color palette that which one you are going to use. Okay. What else can I use here? Because we are going to show a festival. What else I can use here?
Ma'am, blue?
Sky blue.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, white also?
White also you can use, but white you are not going to leave white. You have to use white color in the white space. Don't say that my sheet is white, so I left it white. Use white color on that white space. Right? Tone it down. Yes. Anything else? I can also use ochre yellow. White is ochre yellow. So in India, we have a concept where we say golden yellow. Golden and silver, they are used a lot for any kind of celebration. So I cannot go for a glittering tube and I'll put golden here. So what I'll use for golden? I'll use ochre yellow for showing golden. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone. So this is your color palette now. Fine. So you have to decide which color you are going to use here. Which color will bring, will extract the feeling of the festival which you tried. Now, if you say somewhat like Dussehra, so you would like to show that night sky. Then you will say, can I use a little bit of black? Then of course, yes, you can. But you have to keep it limited, include these colors. Did you understand? Class, you have to include these colors. Now, next confusion may be, how many colors we have written here? Tell me, how many colors we have written here?
Ma'am, 8 colors.
8 colors. So, are we supposed to use all these 8 colors?
No, ma'am.
Your
No, ma'am.
wish. Always keep your color palette limited. Fine. Then, if you feel like, just say the way I gave you the example of black. So if you feel like adding some additional color, like you say, you can say, can I use maroon? Can I use red, violet at some point of time, because the idea will be best shown using those colors. So it's a yes, that's your idea. So you limit your color palette and you check which colors you're supposed to use. So this is the suggestion that these colors may be used for showing that festival feeling. Right? Class. So suppose I just start, see, this is my whiteboard, so I cannot show all the colors here. So I am going to use, so just for sharing my idea, so I use maybe yellow here and orange here, and somewhat like pink, red, green, blue. So I'm going to create this Rakhi, and again I'll use one color for showing this thread. So this becomes a colorful visual representation of my festival, my favorite festival here. Right? So what I will do here, now I have to, now here I cannot draw anything. Can I draw anything? I can't draw anything. So whatever colors you have used here, that is supposed to be transferred here. Right? So whatever color combination you have used here, so that will be transferred here. For example, I used yellow, and because it is a festival, so I will put this complete box yellow. Then next, which one I should use after yellow?
Ma'am, orange.
Orange.
Yes, I can use orange. Here, I can use pink because I used pink here. Then here, maybe I can use light green. Fine. My wish, because I am not supposed to use all, number of colors here, I might repeat yellow here. I might repeat. Okay? Then I'm going for red here. And then so on. I used a bit of black. So maybe here I'm using somewhat black. Maybe black or brown, something I'm using. Did you understand, class, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, did you understand this
Yes,
concept?
ma'am.
What we are doing? We are doing something which is known as design exercise. So such kind of exercises, they twist your mind and they check what is your actual thought process. Because for such kind of question, you will never find a reference in front of you. So you have to think on your own. That's why these questions have become most important part of your creative curriculum or entrance exam or something. Okay. Exercise number 1. I am doing the visual representation of the topic which is given to me. Okay. I might use colors here, I might not use colors here. But here today, we are asking you to use colors. Exercise number 2. Exercise number 2. Fill the given grid with the appropriate color of the given title, and my title was festival, but in this festival I specially choose this one as Rakhi. All right, so I'm transferring the color. Now this is the third type of design exercise. This is a grid again. So here in this grid, can I draw something here? Can I draw something here?
Yes, ma'am.
You cannot draw anything here on the grid. You cannot draw. This was your drawing. But here, no drawing is required. You cannot draw. So how will this grid look like? I will show you in a reference. Just a moment. I'll show you in a reference. Till here, it is clear to all of you?
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
clear to all of you? So please choose your favorite festival on your own. So I don't know. So if somebody says that can I choose somewhat like New Year, your wish. Right? So any festival which you have seen is celebrated or you also became a part of it, choose it as per you. First of all, visually draw that, color it, share, and then we will come to this. Is it okay? What is
Can
the
we use
time?
marker?
Avoid using markers. Only dry color, that to pencil colors. No sketch pen, no markers. All right? Yes. What is the exact time? Tell me. What is the exact time?
4:26.
4:26. So let's take a time limit of 10 minutes. 4:35, 4:40 to go for this. Try. Please start. Please start, everyone. So take 15 minutes for you, not more than that. So you have to stick to the time limit also. We are not going to do it for 30 minutes. Please start. By that time, I'll show you the reference. Can you see this? Everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what do you think? What is it shown in summer?
Ma'am, flower.
Watermelon.
This-
Watermelon.
Watermelon.
Is it drawn? Is it
No,
drawn?
ma'am.
It is not drawn.
No, ma'am.
You know? So try. All the girls, have you seen a cross stitch book or have you ever done cross stitch? All the boys,
Yes, ma'am.
have you all also done? So you'll say no. Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
ma'am.
Is anybody ever seen that how knitting is done? So this is done with the same process. You do it in a grid way, like you count what is how many boxes are being done, and then you proceed further. So you do the counting for the sake of colors and all. So it's a very interesting process. Fine. So I just feel because we too did this knitting and cross stitch and stitching in our school days. So we had a subject. So I feel this that this grid is exactly related to that. So yes, I can. I hope all of you can figure out that in the summer you can see a watermelon, right? You all can see this. Fine. But it is not necessary that you have to create an object. Now, for example, can you see this one? Can you see this one?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is also the visual representation. I just remembered that the visual representation for this topic was picnic. Okay, so picnic. So the child has drawn picnic means again, you know, being near to nature, flowers, trees, and celebration. Right? So this was the visual representation. Now look at the grid. Can you see, is anything drawn here on the grid? Is anything drawn here?
No, ma'am.
No. So what is happening? Please see carefully. So here the child has tried to draw sun and glow of the rays or something. And look here, the boxes are counted and these colors, you know, orange, yellow. So that is transferred here. So there is no drawing. There is no overlapping of colors. Fine. Is there repetition of colors? Can you see
Yes.
repetition of colors? Yes, you may. You know? But you cannot mix two blues in one single box. Can you mix two blues in one single box? That you can't do. So that's the rule. That's how the grids are made. Okay, so all digital people, have you seen screen pay, how the pictures get pixelated? Have you seen that?
Yes, ma'am.
Seen that?
Yes, ma'am.
So do you understand those pixelated versions? So
Yes.
that's what is the grid exercise. So you have to consider that whatever you have designed, that got pixelated. Fine. So repetition of colors, yes, but within that geometrical range, you have two colors. So you cannot mix and merge colors. Fine. And you can't draw anything on the grid. Class, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So I am using this platform for 3-in-1 exercise. And I hope this is clear. Now let's see. Look here. Can you figure out this autumn? Are these colors appropriate for autumn?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, they are all sap greens and ochre yellow and orange and little bit of warm brown. Yes, so there is no compulsion that I have to draw something like leaves. If I am arranging the appropriate color in a sequence or as per my thought process, done. Fine. But here in the summer, you can figure out, oh, you can see a sunflower with the background. Can you feel that? So that is also correct. This arrangement of color without the presence of any visual, this is also correct. And this arrangement of color where the creator has tried that you figure out that there is a sunflower here, this is also correct. Right, class? Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
It is a very important exercise which you are doing today. And please put this into your brain. 30 to 40% of paper is made up of different kind of design exercises, because this is your original creative thinking. You cannot copy from anywhere. All right. Now again, enjoy and try to figure out this feeling, picnic. So this is how your concept of picnic was. In a visual representation, you cannot draw a composition. So I am not supposed to draw a lot of people sitting here in the picnic. I have to depict this feeling with some limited motif. So this motif is beautiful. Yes. And look how this presence of color, it is transferred into a grid. No outline, no overlapping of colors. Fine. Repetition of colors, yes, it is there, but I can figure out that this visual representation's color is being transferred to this picnic. Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now this may be, now again, look at this picnic, cherry blossom, you know, cherry. Trees go, the reference was taken for showing picnic and for showing that, you know, that celebration kind of thing, that you were very happy and you enjoyed your picnic. So look at the thought process and look at the color combination. So you can't say no to it. Now look at this. This is my favorite. And last year, some students, there are always some good students in the class. They are the most obedient students. and they follow all the instructions of the faculties, right? So these students, they were, some of them, and they followed all the instructions of the faculties. So here you can see this representation of summer? So beautiful. Juice and fruits, beach, and bubbles, and the heat of the summer, everything was shown so properly. And now look at this transfer, how the colors were transferred into this grid and how the colors were transferred into this grid. I think this example is somewhat like self-explanatory. Is it so? Yes. So let me see how many obedient students are present today in the class. Fine. This is also one of my favorites, so I could not, resist saving this. Look at this beautiful presentation of summer, just like you. So you feel like, you're enjoying your sunglasses and cold drinks and, some outing. So that feeling has been expressed in this visual representation. The color selection is very appropriate, and see how they are transferred into this grid and then how they are transferred into this grid. Okay. One thing, be very careful. Please don't get confused. So here, I hope you could see these 3 boxes. Are they 3 different boxes, 3 different squares? So don't color them all together. You have to color them one by one. So don't color them all together. Can you figure out last one? What is this? This visual representation. What is it? What can you see here?
Pool.
Pool. So the child told me, oh, so this is the view from my room. I could see the pool below eye level. Very beautifully, these presence of leaves of the trees, they are shown here. And then see how the colors are transferred. Nice. See look at the use of yellow. It's so limited, but still being limited, here we discussed excessive use of yellow for summer or for celebration or, all that happy motive kind of thing. But look at the thought process. The use of yellow is limited, but to the point. So it's beautiful. So that's you, how you take the explanation and color combinations and how you present your ideas. Fine. These are some other different examples of grid, because you all have to appear for different entrance examinations. So this is the proof where we just wanted to show you, see, this is how the grids are asked in the entrance exam. And you have to just think you have to be very, the color concept, the color selection process should be very clear in your brain, that what colors you are using and why. See, look at this. Look at this visual representation. What kind of feeling are you getting once you see this? What visual representation is here?
Ma'am, all season.
All seasons. How many seasons can you see here? How many seasons?
मम्मी गेट खोल देना.
Oh my God, beta.
So-
Mute yourself.
Sorry,
Yes.
sorry.
It's okay. Yes. How many seasons can you see here?
Ma'am, 4.
Is it 4? 4 or 5?
5. Ma'am, 5.
Pakka?
For summer.
See, now, can you see? Because I always love saving good works. Fine.
Yes.
So what can you see here? Look at the color choices and look at the motives and look at the feeling. Now this one, I really feel very good. See how how this child maintained the complete look of festivity with one single motive and, different representations inside. So this is also lovely. So that's your idea. Once you are creative, so you get your ways how you present things, right? Look at this. They all are very good artworks. This, if I am not wrong, I'll just show you this one, this particular work. So if I'm not wrong, this was done by Muskan Somani last year, and Muskan Somani is currently studying into NID. This is true that she is currently studying into NID. She was shortlisted for NIFT also. So this, I am just saying to prove that if you are creative, you always look different from others. And the moment you look different from others, the selection process becomes very easy, right? So please inspire yourself from the examples. Look at the color combinations and how the colors are used. They all are classworks. So it's beautifully done, right? I hope the examples were very clear to all of you. All became mute again.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, so it's already 4:39. So I was just, once I start speaking, so I just cannot control myself. I feel like everything should be told to you. So now at least I expect some competition, and I expect that you are going to share some work in your group, right? Please start doing it. So within 5 minutes, I have to expect some work from you. It's 4:40, so I'll just keep quiet till 4:45. Anjani, you need to work more better. It is less. So think a bit more. Now your skill, you have to show that your skills, they are improving. And please, all of you, this is my request to all of you. So do not be afraid of criticism. Oh, my work was not appreciated, so I won't share. Please don't do this. Please share your work and accept all comments on your work. That will help you to improve. Many students ask me, why don't we have the references? Please don't be worried about the reference. The WhatsApp group is such a beautiful place. Use it, ask questions, solve answers, and take inspiration from the other students' work. So I'll just log in from one more device because I have to check your works. Just give me a moment. So I'll just discuss some work which are already shared. So this is Anjani. So you did this. So that's okay. You did this, but still I'll suggest you, dear. See, you're drawing motifs. Why did you show these edges? Once you were not sure that you will be able to manage them well, no need to show these edges. Bring them down.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine, bring them down. Even if you feel sometimes you are not getting an idea, so why to show those flaws? Bring them down. And then here, in this flame, this flame include, see, because this is the visual presentation, so you could have, somewhat, it's not outlining, but you could have designed the structure of your flame, that how they are looking,
Okay, ma'am.
right? And in this flame, you used yellow, but add touch of orange here. Okay, touch of orange. I know it's there, but add that touch here. Then show presence of red a bit more. Like here you have shown red, but once you are using orange here, so you could have turned this red again,
Okay, ma'am.
right? Even include little bit of light green here. So that will add to the beauty of that holy. Fine.
Okay.
And one more thing, I have a lot of white spaces here. So if I use, dots of small circles of different colors which you used here, so that will add to the mood of this celebration. Or if I'm using, triangles of different colors which you used here, so that would add to the mood of this complete feeling. Or you could have added small spirals of different colors to the white space. Are you getting, Anjani?
Yes, ma'am.
So that will add to the mood. Fine. So still see, use your eraser a bit and just try to rectify a bit more, and then go for the next one.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Yes. Then no work. So now I just need, I'm just waiting. It's 45. So I just need to wait. Vaishnavi, are there two Vaishnavis? I can see two people. Are there two Vaishnavi? I think yes. Okay. Okay. So I'm expecting work. Let me see who's the first one. So by that time, can I show you something else also? Saturday, I did a class. So again, we took it as a challenge to work and share in the WhatsApp group. So I'll just show you the challenge. You'll also again go for that, but still, let me see. Can you see this?
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
visible? So this is a poster on Incredible India. So there were some compulsions for this poster, like the size, what motifs you were supposed to use. And this poster was supposed to be designed for the promotion of tourism. So all these students, they started sharing their ideas again, irrespective of any kind of criticism. So let it be, but see how students responded to the idea. Once you respond, once you experiment within the class, then only you will understand that what are your flaws and how will you perform in the entrance. See. So first the challenge was you were supposed to draw and share your ideas, and the second challenge was the class was from 4 to 6 only. So we were just trying that can you finish the color rendering also. That's fine, but at least so many of them responded, they tried. Otherwise you'll never try at home. Fine. So that was something beautiful, which I also enjoyed during the class. So no work yet. I'm still waiting. All of you must have applied for NID. Is it so? All of you must have applied for NID. Yes. So I'll just repeat why to apply for NID. Why have you applied for NID? Why did you apply for NID? What are the reasons? Why did you apply for NID? So now, why did you apply for NID?
Ma'am, because I want to pursue interior designing and it is the best college to do that.
I feel the number one reason, NID, National Institute of Design, the oldest design school of India, which was established in the year 1961, number one. Number two, it's an institute of national importance by the Act of Parliament. Fine. Number 3, NID has got limited number of seats. So in total, 425 seats. How many centers of NID? 5 centers of NID for Bachelor of Design program of 4 years. Am I true? Yes, class. So this is just a revision. You must know why are you applying to an institute. Fine. The oldest center of NID is Paldi, Ahmedabad. And there the total number of seats are 125. Rest of the centers, Vijayawada, which is in Andhra Pradesh, or Kurukshetra, which is in Haryana, or you say Bhopal, which is in Madhya Pradesh, or Jorhat, which is in Assam. So there you have 75 seats each. All right. Because it is an institute of national importance, so you have all reservations here. General, no reservation. OBC, SC, ST, foreign national. So all the reservations are applicable here. Fine. For what all courses you apply to NID? So first of all, you must know that NID will not allot you the course if you are shortlisted for 1 year. You have to do 1 year of common foundation program, though they will just keep a note of your interest. And after 1 year, they will check your capabilities, your interest, and the availability of seat. Then only the courses will be allotted. So please be very clear. So don't be confused. So now, for what all courses you are going to fight for NID, you are going to write the entrances. Number 1, industrial design. Number 2, communication design. And number 3, textile design. So just be very clear that these 3 courses are only offered by NID. But Ahmedabad being the oldest center of NID, so under industrial design, they offer you product. It's furniture and interior. It's not only interior, beta, it is furniture and interior. Fine. Number 3, glass and ceramic. So 3 courses under industrial design only in Ahmedabad branch. Rest all are just industrial design, which might be a combination of all 3. Fine. Now, communication design. Only Ahmedabad branch will offer graphic, film and video communication, animation, video, film, animation, and exhibition. 4 specializations under communication only in Ahmedabad, but rest of the branches, it is again a combination communication design. And third is textile and lifestyle accessory design, where you learn how to design a fabric. Fine, you learn how to design a fabric, maybe the printing, surface ornamentation, maybe the part of creation also. So you learn how to create a fabric and then how to further use it. How do you use the fabric in the home furnishing industry? So that's what is taught by NID, how to create those fabrics and how to use them further. So this you must know before applying to NID. Will there be how many rounds of examination? How many rounds of examination? 2. So it's known as prelims and mains. Fine. So I also went through the complete brochure of NID. Did they mention syllabus anywhere that what they're going to ask in prelims? Anyone? Please tell me. What are they going to ask you in the prelims?
Ma'am, reasoning question?
Was it written in this brochure anywhere?
No, ma'am.
So they'll judge your knowledge, creativity, comprehension, analytic skills, and problem-solving aptitude. Knowledge, no syllabus. It can be anything, GK, science, geography, history, color theory, anything. comprehension, writing skills. Are you all attending classes for creative writing? Who is taking your class for creative writing? Who is taking your class?
Sunil sir?
Yes. So please do not miss his classes. If you're missing, it's a loss for you. Fine. So writing skills. It may be reading comprehension passages. It may be weaving story out of some words or some sentences or some instructions given to you. So writing skills, very important. Yes, you said reasoning. Yes, it is there in NID, but you do not know how many questions. You don't know whether it is going to be 2 or 5 or 10. You don't know that, but you have to. All right. Then creativity. So creativity, think. It's not drawing perspective or human figure or still life directly. It's their application. Can you apply them for solving the answer to a given question? Okay. And last one, visualization. So see, maybe there is a figure, maybe they have given you a situation, maybe it may be based on your observation, that what do you think? For example, I hope you must have come across that question that if you have to redesign a normal bucket which is used in the washroom for a senior citizen, that what 5 points will consider? And how will you redesign them? Have you studied this question ever?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
God, thank God. Otherwise, I would have, said a lot of things. Yes. So I was so worried if you would have said somewhat like, no, we have not seen. Seriously, though I was supposed to make a call to all your parents. Please start working, everybody. Please start working. And this is my personal request to all of you. Please stop working on the areas right now, which are not important. Like many of you must be loving to do some portrait or wall graffiti or some miniature art or some areas of your liking. Please stop working on them for now till your entrances. Till you give your NID or your UCED or NIFT or the other entrances examinations which you are scheduled for. And maybe your boards also, of course. So please stop working on the areas of your interest now. Right now, just use that time for solving questions. That's very important, very important. Use your time for solving questions. If you are shortlisted, the world is yours. But if you are not shortlisted, nobody is going to ask you the reason of your failure. Seriously speaking, please use your time solving your questions. All right.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I want to go into fashion designing.
Fashion designing. So if you want to go for fashion designing, number one, apply for NIFT because that is the only institute of national importance. Number two, if you are interested in fashion design, at least apply for 5 to 6 other good design colleges of India. Number one, Pearl Academy. This is known for an international degree program, not a national degree program. Okay, but for the safer side, they give you an Indian just yes. So for safer side, they also offer you an Indian graduation so that if you have to go for your further studies in India, so you are not in trouble. So it is known for an international degree program. So make sure it's a 29-year-old institute and superb institute for fashion designing if you're looking for. So it has got 3 branches. In Delhi, 4 branches, 2 branches in Delhi, 1 in Mumbai and 1 in Bangalore and 1 in Jaipur. Sorry, 5 branches. Fine. Then you can apply for IIAD, which is in Okhla, Delhi. This is also offering you an international degree program from Kingston University, plus an Indian graduation, so that you do not face any trouble after your graduation, if you have to go for your further studies from India, or you have to look for a job in India only, right? Number 3, in Delhi, it's the Design Village. It's a very good institute. So it's I cannot call it a national degree, but yes, it's an Indian UGC recognized degree of Bachelor of Design for 4 years. Good one for fashion design. Number 4, it's UID Ahmedabad. Undoubtedly, superb institute. Fine. So you can apply for that. That's an annual exam, and their exam is scheduled on 30th of January. They won't take it before, they won't take it after. So it's scheduled 30th January. So you have to plan. Second is NID, or 23rd is UC. Let's check what will be the date of NIFT, and you have to fix it that 30th January is for UID. Because it's a university exam, so they cannot change it. Fine. Then you can try for UPS Dehradun. Very good institute, especially for industrial design, interaction design, communication design, and fashion design. It's very good. But if you are looking for something,
Which one?
UPES Dehradun. UPES Dehradun. University School of Petroleum and Energy karke hai na? So that is UPS Dehradun. So it's a very good institute. You can. But their dates are not announced yet, so we have to wait. So we'll keep you informed through your group. Every information will be delivered to you through your group. So that's what you have to check. The first entrance examination of this session, it is scheduled on 21st November by the Design Village. So all of you, those who are sitting here, definitely you should go and take a feel how an entrance, what is the experience of an entrance. Please appear for it, apply and appear for it. You will understand that whatever instructions we are giving to you, so you will take that feel whether you understood something or not. Because there we won't be present. Only you and the team and the entrance will be there. So it's very important, you should go and appear. The second important entrance is scheduled on 26 and 27 December by IIED. It's an online, offline mode both. Please appear for it because their papers, I have seen all the papers. Let it be TDV, NID, NIFT, Pearl, IIED, their question papers, entrance examination papers, they are superb. Superb matlab, you really need brain to write those exams. Fine. So give that entrance exam. Next, NID is waiting for you on the New Year Eve, 2nd January. So let's see. And let's go for the other upcoming dates. We'll keep you updated. Now I have to check with your group.
I had a question. What
Yes.
BF Tech, I saw something like BF Tech also besides BDES.
Yes, so BF Tech is only for science students with PCM, and that is more related to, the production process and the machineries. So there you do not have any designing element. Fine. And NIFT may you have to take either, you can write the entrance of either BF Tech or BDES. You can't go for both. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Fine. So you have to check if you are a science student right now. Also, you feel that no, I'm more interested in the product engineering kind of thing, production process kind of thing. You may go for it. So there you have to check.
Because ma'am, actually I was a PCM student, so I got confused that what is this new thing that
No. But if you are interested in the creation, designing something, then you have to apply for BTS.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I filled up Pearl Chapu. So it's required for other private colleges or not? I'm a little confused.
Yes, you should. All of you should at least give. एक तो मतलब मेरी पर्सनल राय पूछो तो मैं तो बोलूंगी NID से पहले जितने एंट्रेंस आ रहे हैं सब आग बंद करके दे डालो, ठीक है? और बाकी सारे नेशनल लेवल के एटलीस्ट गिव 6 to 7 entrances and then wait that where you got shortlisted and where you need to go. All of you should give 6 to 7 entrances.
Okay, ma'am.
I have to check with your WhatsApp group now. Yes. So here comes the first one. So it's Navaratri. So it is good. the dandiya thing which you created, Khushi, but I'll say ये क्योंकि ये बांसुरी cylindrical है ना,
Yes, ma'am.
तो इस सिलेंडर को यहाँ पे ना थोड़े कलर से ऐसे हाईलाइट करो. यू गेटिंग? एक हाईलाइट करो यहाँ.
Okay, ma'am.
फाइन. और इन कलर का इंटेंसिटी थोड़ा सा और मजेदार करो.
Okay, ma'am.
एंड देन यू गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट ग्रिड. इसके बाद यू गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट ग्रिड जो
Okay,
हमने
ma'am.
सेकंड वाला बनाया हुआ है. या इट्स ओके, फाइन. दिस इज दिवाली. श्रद्धा, ये कलर की हालत देखो. प्लीज रेक्टिफाई दीज कलर्स. ब्यूटिफाई करो. बॉर्डर बनाओ यहाँ पर. फ्लेम्स, इवन ये फ्लेम्स, इन फ्लेम्स को बढ़ाओ थोड़ा सा. एंड ये ब्लू को भी, यहाँ आपने डार्क दिस पर्शियन ब्लू विच यू यूज्ड, ओके, बट दिस यू शुड हैव मर्ज्ड, है ना. थोड़ा सा यहाँ पर पिंक का टच, थोड़ा येलो का टच ले आना चाहिए था. फाइन. दूसरी चीज, we have created these laddus. So why the lines are so straight? Why can't I see those rough surfaces? Why did you make besan ke laddu? Please make bundi laddus. Got it? Put some red and green dots here so that you feel that mithai, है ना, enjoyment. So that mithai से याद आया, during WhatsApp अभी बहुत सारे लोग WhatsApp पे and social medias पे अपने creation share करते हैं. So I saw a rangoli where it was written, "Say no to Sohan Papdi." So that was such a beautiful rangoli which was created at the entrance. I just thought that I'm going to see somewhere like "Say no to crackers," but they wrote "Say no to Sohan Papdi." So no mithais during Diwali. So people are fed up of, you know, enjoying mithais during Diwali.
Yes, ma'am. On Diwali, it was Happy Son Papdi Day was trending on Twitter.
So that was seriously beautiful. And once at some places I saw, because see these rangoli thing, I think this has got momentum in last 3-4 years. pehle bhi tha, but abhi 3-4 सालों से rangoli is, you know, something trending too much. Everyone is creating rangolis at home. So I saw realistic rangolis in social media where Lord Krishna and Durga, and I saw a lady who used to create rangolis, and she used to wear the sari which she was wearing. She used to create the rangoli similar to her sari every time. I mean, she specialized in that, and I just saw. So these different works, they were seriously inspiring, and that were telling, I mean, that was something motivational, where you could feel that people do a lot of hard work to make their name and to show that they are unique. So that was something beautiful. So Shraddha, please इसको rectify करो and then you transfer it in the grid, है ना. लड्डू का वो feeling लाओ, it's मीठा. Always दिए की जब लौ होती है ना, तो उसका एक ऑरा होता है ना. सो उस ऑरा में ब्लू कलर डालना इज नॉट गुड. अभी क्या है, इस ऑरा में आपने जो ब्लू डाला इट्स ओके, बट आप यहाँ आके इसको रिड्यूस कर देते, है ना, और इसको व्हाइट जैसा दिखने देते तो मजेदार दिखता. Fine. Okay. So this is what you have to think. Yes. So this today's exercise is just, this is lovely, Nihad, but it truly makes me feel that you did it completely out of your memory. Otherwise, आप इसके ये जो बड़े वाले ये काजल्स होते हैं ना ऐसा, this also you should have made. होता है ना ऐसा? Neha, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. It's much more complicated.
Yes, so it's very complicated.
Yeah.
है ना? It's beautiful, but still, it's okay. Please continue.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
थोड़ा सा रेड का इंटेंसिटी अगर आप एक टच अप दे सकते हो तो थोड़ा सा बढ़ा लो.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Otherwise, it's okay. Fine.
Okay.
Next is Kavya. Mysore Dashera. That's lovely, Mysore Dashera. But Kavya, here's something which is very important. So you created a composition here. You know, please do not create this composition. Matlab, these human figures were not required. You could have just focused on this elephant, or you could have focused only on this chhatri, and piche the silhouette of the Mysore palace. Are you getting, Kavya?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So don't transfer this color. I'll just suggest you to make it once more.
Yes, ma'am.
Simplify it. It has become too complicated, so simplify it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The idea is good, so don't change it. How many people responded? 3. Acha, this I forgot. Khushi. 4. Let me check. Khushi, क्या भेजा है आपने? Oh, you did the homework. ये देखो, खुशी एक पागल बच्चा है जिसने होमवर्क बना लिया. खुशी क्यों बनाया? किसी ने बनाया नहीं था. यस खुशी, बोलो कुछ.
मैम
क्यों बनाया? किसी ने होमवर्क किया ही नहीं, तो तुमने क्यों किया?
दिया था करने के लिए.
अब ये देखो, ये ठीक है. ये एज पे डार्क करना इज नॉट गुड, है ना. आप एक ही साइड से अपना टोन को मेंटेन करो. यहाँ अलग आउटलाइन कर देते हैं तो उसका लुक खराब हो जाता है. आपने ये जो किया ठीक है. अगर आपको यहाँ पे डार्क चाहिए था तो आपको मर्ज कर देना चाहिए था. आर यू गेटिंग खुशी?
Yes, ma'am.
तो ये जो डार्क कर रहा है ना, ये ठीक नहीं है. अदरवाइज दिस बैलेंस इज ओके. It's good.
Actually, after doing it, I felt like it was there was something wrong.
ठीक है. So unbalance, yeah, it is okay. Unbalance. So इसमें कुछ और भी कर सकते थे आप. जैसे कैसे बोलूं, यहाँ पर ये आपने पूरा दिखाया, ये बड़ा basket of laddus, and this basket is having less laddus, something like that. So it's okay. Idea wise it is okay, but yes, it could have been improved more. Crispy, थोड़ा इस पे डिजाइन बनाओ. क्रिस्पी मतलब एनर्जी है ना, और इस एनर्जी को हम एंगुलर लाइन से बहुत अच्छे से दिखा पाते हैं, है ना. तो इस बॉक्स का ऐसे डिजाइन बना डालो, इस एंगल से लुक आएगा, है ना. और यहाँ पे इसके ये मसाले उड़ा दो छोटे छोटे ट्राइंगल से, तो ये क्रिस्पी की फीलिंग आएगी. Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
This is okay. Soggy, I understood. और इस soggy इसके बैकग्राउंड में तुम्हारी मर्जी है. Like somewhat use ऐसा curves. Soggy है ना, तो बैकग्राउंड थोड़ा मैनेज हो जाएगा, एंड soggy की फीलिंग भी आपकी आएगी.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज, ये क्या था? ग्रीन. ओके. सो फ्रॉग. ऑल राइट. This is medical, but this is something common. Medical. Chromosomes wala concept. So this is common. You know. Secret. Okay. Fine. Infancy. No. All right. This was. मुझे अगर कॉमेडी बोलोगे तो मैं ऐसा कुछ बनाऊंगी. समझ आ रहा है?
Charlie Chaplin.
So what do you think?
Charlie Chaplin.
है ना? So is it very suitable for comedy?
Yes, ma'am.
So think, है ना? Here I can see your skills, है ना? Khushi. So I can feel your skills. And one thing more I'll say, you're very careful regarding the dimensions, the lines, the neatness. Yes, you are very careful. So now work more on the ideas. Okay? And now, from now, please do not compromise the way you present things. Ab dekho, when I see this, even if there are flaws in your work, but it is presented so well that I'll first look at the presentation. Now I will focus on your flaws. Okay? But number of times you work well, but the presentation is not at all good. So it again, you know, it somehow misses that attention power. So my attention power is not given due, is not considered by the examiner. So this is picnic, right? All right. Dream, okay, fine. Autumn is also okay. You could have done the background even. है ना. विंटर के भी आप पीछे ये पूरा ऐसा स्नोफ्लेक्स को ड्रॉ कर दो, बनाओ, इसे पूरा प्लान कर लो. सो द मोमेंट यू ट्रीट द नेगेटिव स्पेस, आपके आर्टवर्क में जान आ जाती है ना. आपका आर्टवर्क खुद बोलता है. तो यही करना है आपको, आपके आर्टवर्क को बुलवाना है. सो nobody should say that it's looking dull. At least they should say that this child has creative sense. Fine. मटका स्टिल लाइफ प्रैक्टिस नहीं किया, ड्राइंग तो ठीक है. फाइन. और एक चीज और गड़बड़, लीफ में हमेशा कलर नीचे से ऊपर, है ना. ऊपर से नीचे नहीं, नीचे से ऊपर. इसका लुक ही अलग होता है. ट्राई कर लेना कभी भी, है ना. इससे अलग आपका स्किल नजर आती है. फाइन. ओके. बट good that you spent time to finish your works. It's okay. So here also you could have done some background, you could have shown this aura, and you could have just treated the background a bit more. It's okay, but fine, है ना. Even typographical skills improve करो. और running hand नहीं लिखेंगे. Fine. चलो. So I can see.
Can I show it here? I'm not having my phone with me right now.
Yeah, you can. So just give me a moment. There are some more updates. I'll check and then I'll come to you. So this is Vaishnavi Kapoor. होली बाल्टी क्यों बनाई? Who told you to create this बाल्टी? जरूरत ही नहीं थी. ये भी पूरा क्यों बनाया? तुम थोड़ा सा बनाते. ये देखो ऐसा दिख रहा है, ये मेरा कंटेनर है और उस पे ऐसे कलर्स रखे हैं. Getting Vaishnavi?
Yes, ma'am.
So no need to create that complete container. अभी तुम्हें ढोलक दिखाना था. So this way, use your sense of perspective. तुम दिखाते कि मेरा ढोलक ऐसा दिख रहा है. फाइन. ये बाल्टी भी पूरी नहीं, सिर्फ इसका इतना ही पार्ट दिख रहा है और यहाँ से मुझे पिचकारियां नजर आ रही है. फाइन. अभी दूसरा
Yes, ma'am.
दूसरा जो प्रॉब्लम है इसमें, आई हैव डन अ लॉट ऑफ मोटिव. ठीक है. मुझे एक्चुअली इस ढोलक की जरूरत नहीं थी. I could have just shown कंटेनर में 2 डिफरेंट कलर्स. यहाँ पर ऐसे 2 कलर्स दिख रहे हैं, यहाँ पर मुझे पिचकारी दिख रही है और ये स्प्लैशेस. काफी था. Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
So reduce the motive. Yes, the feeling
Okay.
is coming, but you need to reduce the motives.
Okay, ma'am.
This is also looking nice. Ishika, I think you created what?
Karwa Chauth.
Okay. तो ये तुमने नहीं किया ना. स्टिल लाइफ की हालत देखो. मेरे हिसाब से तो कलर बड़ा सुंदर सा होता है. मैं भी यूज करती हूँ, हैं. मैं भी बोलती, हाय ऐसा कलश तुम दोगी करवा चौथ में. सो कलश यू नीड टू इम्प्रूव. ये छलनी यू नीड टू इम्प्रूव. बट ओवरऑल जो प्रेजेंटेशन है तुम्हारा, द वे यू यूज्ड द कलर्स एंड ये वाइट एंड ये मोटिव्स एंड दिस पिंक एंड दिस चांद, दिस इज ब्यूटिफुल. ठीक है. सो द ओवरऑल प्रेजेंटेशन इज गुड. तो ये जो तुम्हारे फ्लॉज हो गए ये सेकेंडरी बन गया. फाइन. बट स्टिल आई कैन नॉट इग्नोर दीज फ्लॉज. So
Yes,
please
ma'am.
improve your drawing. But yes, overall sense of presentation, use of color, it is very good. So now you can go for the next part.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
This is Dashera, right? Vaishnavi, is it Dashera?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, तुमने रावण की नाभि बनाई है? Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. तो कैसे देखें? पेट तो छोटा दिख रहा है. क्या करें? एक तो इसको बोल्ड करो, और देख रहे हो ऐसे बोल्ड करो.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. इसको भी फिर थोड़ा सा ये और बोल्ड हो जाएगा. सो इट विल बी और मजेदार. फाइन. इस एरो को लगाओ यहाँ तक. सटाओ मत, पर थोड़ा लगाओ यहाँ तक. ये एरो है. फाइन. ये बनाओ पूरा. ये है नाभि. All right. Then let's check. but it is a nice concept. You see, thought process is beautiful, that you wanted to focus only at this place to, to finish that ill, or to finish that Ravana. So the concept is very good. Fine. Please work and then transfer colors. Then next is, तो जिसका WhatsApp वो वीडियो है, so just give me some more moment and then I'll come to you. Khadija, I expected थोड़ा और. Khadija.
Okay, ma'am.
Try करो और. I expected a bit more. विशाल, Christmas. घूमने जा रहे हैं पूरे क्रिसमस को सेलिब्रेट करते हुए. So the idea is very beautiful, Vishal, but it shows that आपने ज्यादा ड्राइंग प्रैक्टिस नहीं की है. Drawing you need to improve. Idea is very beautiful. Please go ahead. आप next करो. So I won't say to stop. Fine. Rupali. दिवाली बनाई है ना रूपाली?
Yes, ma'am.
ब्लू चाहिए थोड़ा सा, नजर नहीं आ रहा.
Okay.
ब्लू भी चाहिए, रेड भी और दिखना चाहिए, येलो भी और दिखना चाहिए, तो कलर्स और दिखने चाहिए. The color is looking somewhat like 50%. थोड़ा कलर्स बढ़ाओ तो वो फील आ पाएगा.
Okay, ma'am.
This is good. मयूर, so this is good. और मयूर आप चाहो तो ये जो बैकग्राउंड है ना, फॉर एग्जाम्पल जो आपने ये पर्पल लिया है तो इसके पीछे हल्का सा ग्रीन कर दिया है ना, ये ग्रीन है तो हल्का वॉयलेट कर दिया है ना, ये पिंक था तो आपने इसके पीछे थोड़ा येलो कर दिया. तो ऐसे ऑपोजिट में भी बड़े बड़े स्प्लैश करके व्हाइट को टोन डाउन कर दो. Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Tone down that white and create that highlight, because it's a cylindrical thing, to create that highlight with the colors. Yes, then it is good. Go for the next grid. Holy. So this motive is again beautiful. Diya, but ये glasses नहीं चाहिए. हटा दो इसे. नहीं चाहिए glasses. Color की intensity और बढ़ाओ, है ना. Background में भी अलग अलग color कर लो. 4 डायरेक्शन है ना, सो यू टेक 2 कलर्स और 4 कलर्स. बैकग्राउंड को भी हल्का सा कलर ले लो एंड देन यू डू इट. यस, सी व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इज, I did not give you one festival, so all of you are thinking on your own, and this thought process is very important for your improvement. Very important. Now this is okay, fine. Anjani, better than before. Please go for the grid. Start karo. This is also okay. Sneha, Diwali which you created, fine. Transfer the colors in the grid. ठीक है. तनु, कलर डालो बेटा, कलर लेस है ना. और देखो यहाँ देखकर पता चल रहा है, आपने दीवार पे रंगोली बनाई है, फ्लोर पे बनाई है, ये बताओ कहाँ बनाई है?
मैम फ्लोर पे.
बट दीवार पे लग रही है ना?
यस मैम.
क्योंकि हमने पर्सपेक्टिव फॉलो ही नहीं किया. नहीं किया ना. अगर फ्लोर पे रंगोली बनी है तो ऐसे बनेगी ना.
यस मैम.
तो फिर दीवार पे क्यों बनाई? अभी इसका बस कलर को तुम बढ़ाओ. ये जो आतिशबाजी के कलर्स हैं इसको थोड़ा और करो, प्लान करके ना. बैकग्राउंड को थोड़ा ऐसे बढ़ाओ. ये देखो, देख रहे हो, यही दिखाना चाह रहे थे. हाँ, तो इसको बढ़ाओ. ये नहीं चाहिए, हटा दो. फिर वो ज्यादा हो जा रहा है ना, हटा दो. इनके कलर्स को भी और बढ़ाओ, दिखाई नहीं दे रहे.
ओके मैम.
बढ़ाओ. ठीक है. इस रंगोली को अगर ये दीवार बनानी है आपको, तो यहाँ पर फिर आपको कुछ ऐसा करना पड़ेगा. फ्लोर बनाओ. ठीक है. बट आपको दिए भी चाहिए, सब कुछ चाहिए, तो कोई बात नहीं. मे बी ये घर का एक एज ही है, चलेगा वो. बट रंगोली फिर आपको ऐसे लेनी पड़ेगी. Are you getting?
यस मैम.
ठीक है. चलो ट्रांसफर करो उसको.
मैम.
हाँ यस बेटा.
मैम, जैसे अपने बॉक्सेस बनाए, उसमें एक बॉक्स में 2-3 कलर्स यूज कर सकते हैं?
नहीं, एक बॉक्स में एक ही कलर होगा.
ओके.
ये किसका है? शिल्पी. सो शिल्पी, दिस पार्ट इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. ये आपने बहुत अच्छा किया है. ये ठीक है. ये क्या हो गया? दिया इतना बड़ा है, बट व्हाई इट इज नॉट लुकिंग ब्यूटीफुल? इसे अरेंज करो ना. क्या कलर्स होते हैं? रेड, येलो, ये कर सकते थे ना. यहाँ पर एक बॉर्डर डाला, फिर यहाँ पर आपने कुछ किया, ये देखो ये दिया सुंदर हो गया, तब मजा आएगा। शिल्पी, शिल्पी आप हो? You there?
Yes, ma'am.
So this correction is required. Fine. Now this is
Okay,
what?
ma'am.
So you need to tell me about this festival, Simran. I don't know.
It is a flower festival celebrated by women in Telangana. And at the
Women of
end of
Telangana.
yes, Hyderabad. I'm from Hyderabad.
Okay, please tell me more about this. I just thought that this is something related to winter. आवाज नहीं आ रही आपकी?
मैम तो वो लोग है ना फ्लावर्स को ऐसे पाइल करके मेक अ डोम आउट ऑफ इट एंड
Okay.
दे वर्शिप इट एज अ लिविंग गॉडेस एंड आफ्टर द एंड ऑफ द फेस्टिवल वो उसे पानी में
But this is beautiful. Very good. Very good. So I really liked Kavya. She did Mysore Dashara, though she's doing it again. But that was something different which you did. I really like Nihad, who created that Kathakali for dance, for showing that celebration. And third, this one. So something different. So approximately 30 students are taking class, and this is how the different ideas click your mind. So 3 different ideas. What is the name of this festival? Batukama.
बतुकम्मा
Very good. Please, but इसकी color intensities थोड़ी बढ़ाओ, है ना, थोड़ी increase करो. It's important.
यस
Fine. Okay. So this is Akhyayani. So why your number is not on WhatsApp? You wanted to get it changed or what, Akhyayani?
Ma'am, please add this number also.
Message drop कर देना मुझे, है ना, after the class I'll do it. It's okay. Color intensity बढ़ाओ, ये color की intensity थोड़ी बढ़ाओ. Visual presentation is getting weaker. Idea is okay, but it is getting weaker. And please understand, you have to think of the space. देखो आपने दिया बनाया, so this looks very creative, है ना, आपने law बनाई, फिर law को आपने centrally ऐसा arrange किया. This is good. Fine. Then suddenly what happened is right hand side से ये आ गया, अब ये आ गया. अभी क्या हो रहा है, जब हम इसको देख रहे हैं तो मुझे ये बिल्कुल खाली लग रहा है, कुछ है ही नहीं यहाँ. Are you getting? Akhyayani?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this is the problem. So this is space management, how you utilize the complete given space. आप बोलोगे दिवाली में तो ऐसा ही होता है, but you are creating a visual, so you have to plan everything. आपका viewer को यहाँ कुछ दिख नहीं रहा, so that's your duty to manage with the space. I am not saying कि तुम यहाँ पर कुछ draw कर दो, but yes, definitely you have to plan your idea in such a way. मुझे यहाँ नहीं लग रहा कि कुछ खाली है, but ये space खाली हो गया. So how will you manage? Fine. So think about it. Rest it is okay. Color selection is okay. Color treatment is also okay. Proceed.
Ma'am, please check my also.
Yeah, Ajo, who is there in the video?
Ma'am, PDF.
Ma'am, I'm there with the video.
Ajo, Ayushi, अभी देख रही हूँ बेटा. Ayushi का देख लूँ पहले. She told me to see the video. Are you not in the WhatsApp group, Ayushi?
No, ma'am, I'm not. Actually, my phone got dead in between. That's why I'm having a
Acha.
problem.
ठीक. आ जाओ. Did you switch on your camera? Yes.
Yes, ma'am, my camera is on.
This is which festival?
Ma'am, Easter.
Oh. Okay, fine. Please go ahead. Finish it.
Any corrections, ma'am, that I
No. But I will just say reduce the motifs which you created.
Yeah.
Stir is okay.
hmm.
But it is more because you have to transfer the same thing in the grid. So that will become challenging. Fine. Otherwise, it's okay. Fine. Continue. Yes. So Anjani.
Ma'am, actually, one more thing I wanted to ask.
Ah.
Like, the rabbit is of white color. Like, the rabbit hair is white in color. So in this grid, how can I add the white color here?
व्हाइट कलर से ही कर दो, and once you treat the complete area so that white will be visible. Fine.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
So Easter was again different, है ना? Good. This is Chhat Puja. नहीं. What is this? Bhojali. बताओ.
Ma'am,
Am
it
I
was a
correct?
festival celebrated in Chhattisgarh. People
Hmm.
grow seedlings of wheat and barley on a basket,
And then
and then they take it to the temple, and they
तो
do
तुमने बैकग्राउंड को डल क्यों बनाया है? आई अंडरस्टूड. दिस पार्ट इज वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. ठीक है, आपने बोला बास्केट में उससे उगाते हैं. सो मेक दिस बास्केट दिस वे एंड टेक दैट लाइट ग्रीन. उल्टा कलर किया है ना, ये ऐसा होता है. व्हीट के जो जौ होते हैं वो ऐसे होते हैं. इतने छोटे छोटे कहाँ होते हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
वी हैव सीन इन दशहरा ऑल्सो. देखा है दशहरा में उगते हैं घर में जौ.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is somewhat like this. The moment you create this, it will be so interesting. और पीछे लगाओ ना, अगर सेलिब्रेशन है, कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा तो स्पाइरल बना दो अलग अलग कलर के.
Yes, ma'am.
सर्कल बना दो, ट्रायंगल्स लगा दो. सेलिब्रेशन लगे तो ये डल क्यों लग रहा है, ऐसे क्यों लग रहा है? इसको पनिशमेंट मिली है कि लाल साड़ी में मुझे कहीं जाना है. Getting?
Yes,
This is such a different thing. It's good that you are explaining that what we are doing in this festival. So show that mood. Yes, it is the festival. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
एक बार और थोड़ा सा वर्क करो. It's okay. Fine.
Ma'am, is this okay?
हाँ, this looks better. But पीछे चाहिए. आप वो मैसूर पैलेस का ऐसा सिल्वेट बनाओ ना.
Yes, ma'am.
So no problem. ऐसा बनाओ. क्योंकि the palace is known for its decoration of lights and all. है ना? तो उस डेकोरेशन को भी थोड़ा सा हाईलाइट करो, दिखाओ कि ये सजा हुआ है. I mean that you think how will you show, and
Yes,
then you
ma'am.
can. Yes. Then किसका था? अंजलि. Fine. So just checking. What is the time?
5:31.
Just a moment. Just a moment. Anjani, this is yours now. Speed. Yeah, this is okay now. ठीक है, this is okay. Oof. ठीक है, ये ज्यादा हो गया. कम्युनिकेशन हमें ये क्यों चाहिए था, इस ये नहीं चाहिए. ठीक है, बस इतना पार्ट काफी है. हम इसको ऐसे करते थे. मुझे फिगर बनाना ही था ना, तो हम इसे ऐसे करते थे. कोई ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं चाहिए पीछे.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है. देन समर. सो समर में यू वांटेड टू शो दिस कूलर की हवा, सॉरी एसी की हवा. ओके. ये नहीं समझ आया, मतलब ये मजा नहीं आया. ये जो पेड़ है ना, आप पेड़ को कम करो, मतलब प्रेजेंस, इसका प्रेजेंस ऐसा दिखाओ.
Okay,
तब
ma'am.
मजा आएगा. फाइन. और ये हवा ऐसे येलो चाहिए, बट ये ऐसे.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है. देन कल्चर्ड. ये मंदिर अच्छा नहीं आया. कल्चर है ना ये.
Yes,
सो
ma'am.
दूर मंदिर के सिल्वेट अच्छे दिखाओ. उसका टॉप नहीं दिखाने की जरूरत है, वो हमें नहीं दिख रहा. नहीं दिख रहा तो कोई बात नहीं, हम ऐसे ही दिखाएंगे. मंदिर का खाली पार्ट ही दिखाएंगे. फाइन.
Okay.
ये टॉप नहीं चाहिए. फाइन. ये अनकल्चर्ड क्या है समझ नहीं आ रहा. हम मॉडर्न ड्रेस पहनकर आ गए. नो, दिस यू कांट से दैट इट इज अनकल्चर्ड. दिस यू कांट. ठीक है. अब आप यहाँ दिखा रहे हो कि हम यहाँ पर खड़े होके स्मोक कर रहे हैं. सो दैट मे बी अनकल्चर्ड, but not the dress. You can't say dress as cultured and uncultured. ठीक है. आप देखो. I don't know how will you take this sentiment. So it's your own thought process. But still, this is my suggestion. हम मंदिर में दूध चढ़ाते हैं और वो दूध नालियों में चला जाता है. फाइन। तो अगर वही दूध हमारे देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ kids, those who are starving every day. So I feel if that milk, if some process is done where that milk is delivered to those needy people where they can feed their belly, so that is very much cultured, I feel. But I am not saying that you hurt anyone's religious sentiment. So this is just my idea. Rest you can think on your own that how do you feel.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. So this you have to check. कोशिश करो बहुत डायरेक्ट प्रेजेंटेशन में आप पूरा, अब ये ह्यूमन फिगर है, सो दिस ह्यूमन फिगर इज नॉट इन प्रपोर्शन, सो आई नीड अ प्रोपोर्शनेट ह्यूमन फिगर. द आइडिया इज गुड बट द प्रपोर्शन इज नॉट गुड. दूसरा, ये हम कहाँ किसी रोप पे चल रहे हैं, है ना, सो दिस इज समथिंग, देन आई मस्ट शो समथिंग बिलो आई लेवल. अगर मैं दिखाऊं कि यहाँ पर देखो एक इंसान खड़ा है, डोंट यू थिंक इट विल एड इंटरेस्ट?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना, अगर हम ये दिखाएं कि यहाँ पर लोग खड़े हैं तो ये इंटरेस्टिंग दिखेगा, या नीचे कोई पार्क है और हम ऊपर बैलेंस बना के चल रहे हैं तो वो ज्यादा अच्छा है. फाइन. ये फिसल कर गिर गए तो गिराओ इसे पूरा अनबैलेंस. ठीक है, चलो. सो दिस इज व्हाट, टिल यू डोंट ट्राई यू विल नेवर गेट थिंग्स राइट. Crispy is okay. Adding milk makes it soggy. All right. Drought is okay. Medical too much हो गया है ना, medical में थोड़ा कम कर लो. It is getting too much. कुछ reduce कर लो यहाँ पर.
Okay.
Secret is okay. अगर मुझे secret बोलोगे so I'll tell you what am I going to make. समझ आया? समझ आया?
Yes, ma'am. Envelope.
एनवलप, और उस पे मैंने टेप लगा दी.
Yes, ma'am.
Secret. So that's how you have to think, है ना. You can also put password. आप सभी के मोबाइल्स में होता है ना ये पासवर्ड प्रोटेक्शन, होता है ना ऐसा.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So you can draw this also. यार this is secret. है ना, if you don't know the password you cannot open anyone's digital platform. Comedy is okay. इनफेंसी सिर्फ ये बना देते तो भी चलता, सिर्फ ये बना देते तो भी चलता. So don't make all three, make one.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine, it's okay, correct.
Green is okay.
Which one?
Ma'am, green one.
Green मुझे नजर क्यों नहीं आया? अच्छा,
Okay.
green. So you are showing wealth.
Ma'am, growth.
Growth. ग्रीन में अगर मैं सिर्फ ये भी बना दूं, ये देखो, सिर्फ इतना ही बना दूं, सबको लगा पेड़ तो हरा ही होता है ना, बट किसी ने बनाया नहीं.
मैम मैंने सोचा था, फिर सोचा कि
यही तो मैं बोल रही है ना, सबने सोचा बट बनाया किसी ने नहीं. सो समटाइम्स ऐसा भी हो जाता है. सो दिस इज स्क्रीन. अगर आप बोलोगे नहीं पेड़ तो बड़ा कॉमन सा है, आई कुड हैव ड्रॉन अ कैक्टस. नहीं बना सकते थे?
यस मैम.
है ना, आई कुड हैव जस्ट ड्रॉन लीफ. बनाया ही नहीं किसी ने, क्योंकि पेड़ कॉमन लग रहा था तो लीफ तो कॉमन नहीं थी, बट थी तो आप देख रहे हो. अभी तक जो भी हमने आर्टवर्क देखे हमने तो किसी का नहीं देखा. Fine. So this is how it makes. What is the time?
5:38.
Can you check mine?
Yes.
Weekday 2.
Weekday 2 आ रही हूँ मैं. Okay, fine. खुशी. So this is okay. ये जो कलर के जर्क्स आ रहे हैं इसे भी कंट्रोल करेंगे, but it is okay. Fine. Please try for the next grid also. और फिर तीनों का पिक्चर इकट्ठा भेजना, है ना खुशी?
Ma'am, I didn't complete it, but then I just like.
हाँ, it's okay. मतलब it's coming out correct. Please go ahead. Summer is okay. Secret सबने कानाफूसी बनाई है. ना ये क्या है?
Ma'am, that's morning sunrise.
Just a moment, I have to share this. 1 minute.
Ma'am, can I show the grid here only?
Just a moment beta, let me just finish जिसका मैं देख रही हूँ. Just a moment. Then Kavya, ये तो हमने देखा ही था. And that time also I
Yes, ma'am.
suggested you to make some correction in the metro.
Yes, ma'am, I'll do it again. I just
है ना?
sent the whole page.
ठीक है. Okay. So this is sharing is caring, cultured. Green is okay. इसका थोड़ा और सोच सकते हो, है ना? This is very direct. I understood your idea, but think more.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? और इस ग्रीन को भी पूरा कर लो. Like अगर 2 लीफ है तो आपको पता है कि यहाँ पे भी एक होगी. तो my area will also be, you know, कुछ ऐसा डन हो जाएगा.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. अगर ग्रीन है भी, so I could have shown somewhat, जैसे क्रीपर्स होते हैं ना, ऐसे छोटे, ये भी तो ग्रीन ही होते हैं. Like money plant sort of thing. ये भी तो बना सकते थे हम.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So ये अच्छे दिखते हैं. And they look again something which is different. So this is dusk. Dusk is beautiful. ठीक. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
It is okay. Now comes 2. So this is Anusuya, right? This is which festival? Nagada. है ना? अच्छा लग रहा है ये भी. Bihu, yeah. Please go ahead. It is nice. Rupali. So Rupali coloring, it has to be neat. अब देखो ये बड़े-बड़े boxes थे. So it is looking neat. है ना? But ये छोटे grids हैं. So why they are not looking neat? Though आपने सारे instructions को follow किया है. I'm not saying that you did not follow. But still, all the edges, they were supposed to be very neat. Yes, Rupali?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Okay. So now, next. Now I'm giving you some festivals. Yes, Mayur? It's perfectly okay. Please continue. This is Chhat Puja. Yes, you can. Please continue. Sneha. अब साथ में भेजना पड़ेगा तभी ना I can relate your visual with the grids which you created. Please write more topics. Please write more topics. Should I? बोलूं मैं?
Ma'am, can you check mine too?
Yes, I will, but please write the topics. And all of you will work on the similar grid which we discussed in the class today. All right, all of you will work. Please write, everyone. Should I start?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, joy. Joy. Number 2, I'll give you 5. I won't give you more than 5, but please work on it. Joy. Number 2, monsoon. Monsoon. Number 3, old age. Old age. Number 4, growth. Growth. And number 5, enthusiasm. Enthusiasm. है ना? कोई भी डायरेक्ट नहीं है, आपको कोई रेफरेंस नहीं मिलेगा. So all you have to think. है ना? फेस्टिवल के सीजन्स के रेफरेंसेस मिल जाएंगे, इसका कोई रेफरेंस नहीं मिलेगा आपको. So you have to think आप क्या करोगे. कोई डायरेक्ट कॉम्पोजिशन नहीं, जैसे विजुअल रिप्रेजेंटेशन के हमने बात की थी वैसे ही करेंगे. So I won't draw too much. I will draw less. I'll draw to the point, and I will use colors accordingly in the visual and in the grids. Fine. So it's better. जैसे कुछ बच्चों ने PDF भेजा, so that was a good idea to create that kind of PDF. Yes. So now somebody asked me something in the group. So it's good that now you started. Okay, fine. It's better. Vaishnavi, please go ahead. करो, पूरा करो.
Okay, ma'am.
So this is Vishal. Okay, fine. So Vishal, your grid is very beautiful, है ना? आपके ये visual representation से जो बहुत अच्छा है, this one is lovely, very good. This is also okay. And as I told you, the car was good, but maybe here I just expected a little more efficient presentation. But it is all right. So you understood the topic which we discussed in the class well, and now I hope you will be able to figure out the similar question if you get it in the exam, because this is something endless. So you can't say that I can't say that I taught you everything, but yes, I can say that if you get somewhat similar question, you'll be able to think what they're asking you. Fine.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, good. Then anyone else? Anyone else? Yes, you can. Please. Okay. But I expected your white in place of blue. है ना, जहाँ आपने blue किया है ना, so there I expected white. But it's okay. आप black Staedtler लेके scale से outline कर देना. Okay, so that once you outline your area, so you create a border, है ना, you create a frame. Then the viewer is not distracted here and there. They are just focused to see what you created. So it's okay, fine.
Okay.
Continue. So I'll just check here. Akhyani, yes, I saw. Akshita, I didn't see anything from your side. Anjani, yes. Anusuya, yes. Ashna, not from your side. Ayushi ne abhi online dikhaya tha. Diya Agarwal, yes, you shared. Harshita, no. Ishika, yes. Kavya, yes. Khadija, yes. Kushi, yes. Maitri, I did not see anything. Maitri, I did not see anything from your side. Mayur, yes. Nihad, yes. Rupali, yes. Yes, beta.
I've joined it today as a demo class. So
Okay.
I'm just looking forward to understand more today. From next class, I'll be doing it.
So if you have created something, take my number. You can share it with your name.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, it's 958.
Yes, ma'am.
221.
Yes, ma'am.
7772. So share whatever you have worked with your name so that it can be evaluated. I hope you understood the class, what was going on in the class.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Okay. Because this is something in between. So fine. I mean, I hope you understood that what we were doing in the class today.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
All
Ma'am,
right.
repeat your number once again.
958.
Yes, ma'am.
221.
Yes, ma'am.
7772.
Okay.
Fine. So Nihad, yes. Neha, you shared, yes. Shohana, yes. Tanu, yes. Trasha, I don't remember. Vaishnavi Thakur, you shared, but dusri wali Vaishnavi, no. Vishal, yes. But it's okay. I'm happy. At least I feel 80% of the students you responded. This is something very, very important. You know? I'll just share one more example. I cannot take that name in the class, but I had a student. I used to think that student is very slow, very dull. पता नहीं क्या होगा इसका, कैसे entrance clear करेगी. उसका focus NIFT था ही नहीं. She focused on Delhi College of Art. But when she appeared for the examination, I was surprisingly shocked to see that yes, she was shortlisted. जो मैंने दिल में expect शायद नहीं किया था, but she was shortlisted. But then I was just analyzing the reason. Though I was not very good in drawing, but I was honest in my effort. Every day she used to come to the class. Every day she used to try whether the drawing was good, bad, but she would try. Every day she used to see her last work. Like 2 days ago, what did I do? Today, what is my improvement? So this was a continuous process. You know? So even please don't think you are not good at drawing or maybe the work was not appreciated in the class. Please be focused for your result. This is the time. इसके बाद तुम्हें कोई पूछेगा भी नहीं. This is the time. Please focus only on questions, only on test. If you think कुछ नहीं हो रहा, share it in the group. Please communicate also. Don't just think faculty will reply. You all can communicate something for yourself also. Use your group for communication. It is very important. You can share GK. You can share questions. You can take your own competitions and you can try answering that questions. Many students, they have started doing it. So why are you lagging behind? नई टाइम में एटलीस्ट जो फैकल्टी ने क्वेश्चन बोला है वो तो पूरे करो क्लास में, किसी भी हाल में पूरे करो. आज मैंने 5 क्वेश्चंस दिए. So 5 into 3, you know there are 15 questions. So you set your time limit that I need half an hour for one single question. I'll finish it within 1 day or 2 days as per your schedule of study. So please do it and finish it. अच्छा बुरा वो छोड़ दो, दिमाग में बिठा लो हाँ कोई फैकल्टी अप्रिशिएट नहीं करने वाला है, but still I will do it. So that ways please work. This will help you. This will help you. तुम्हारे हाथ चलेंगे, तुम्हारा दिमाग चलेगा, तुम टाइम लिमिट से काम करोगे, ये तुम्हें बहुत हेल्प करेगा. But आप काम नहीं करोगे, ठीक है, I know I'm not going to come to your place to see, but still, ये 2 घंटे क्लास के यूज किया करो. क्लास के अंदर हम करेंगे ही करेंगे चाहे जो भी हो रहा है. ये वाली भावना से काम किया करो. That will help you, है ना. अब लैगिंग बिहाइंड और थोड़ा सा कैजुअल एटीट्यूड को बंद करो आप लोग. Fine. Anyone from Delhi here? Anyone from Delhi here? Any Delhi student here?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you going to visit IIAD? जा रहे हो ना संडे को?
Yes, ma'am.
Please go. Please take it as an opportunity. अभी सबको नहीं ले जा सकते, but जिसके पास चांस है जाओ, जाकर देखो एक डिजाइन इंस्टीट्यूट से क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन होती है. एटलीस्ट जाकर देखो बच्चे क्या काम करते हैं. हाउ डू फैकल्टीज कम्युनिकेट, व्हाट विल बी योर वर्क शेड्यूल, और उस वर्क शेड्यूल का हिस्सा बनने के लिए टेक इट एज अ मोटिवेशन. आपको कितना काम करने की जरूरत है. Please understand, you don't have to study from books. You have to study from your material and tools. Please go and see. और वहां जाने के लिए, I am just not saying IIAD, I'm just saying that if you want to get associated with the design institute, cracking an entrance is very important. So take that feel, please go, please see, and then please come back again और फिर से अपने आप को मोटिवेट करो और काम करो. बंद मत करो अपना काम, ठीक है. टेस्ट्स दो, एवरीवन टेस्ट्स दो. टेस्ट में कमेंट अच्छे नहीं आए, आंसर को दोबारा करो. कैसे नहीं आए, दोबारा करो. Okay, so I would just expect your answers again, maybe at least by tomorrow. So let's check, and then again we will meet for the next session. Fine. So I hope the class was well understood by all. Yes.
Ma'am? Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Could you please check mine? I just sent it.
Yes, I will. कलर और डालो, इट इज लेस, है ना. कलर की इंटेंसिटी और बढ़ाओ थोड़ी सी.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
है ना. सो इट इज अभी, हाँ इट इज 50%. कलर्स को और बढ़ाओ, ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
ये वाला ना. ओके, थोड़ा सा ब्लैक चाहिए वैष्णवी, थोड़ा सा ब्लैक चाहिए यहाँ पर, क्योंकि हम रावण दिखा रहे हैं ना. थोड़ा सा ब्लैक चाहिए. इसकी बेली में भी थोड़ा सा ब्लैक चाहिए. ब्लैक में मतलब इट्स नॉट आउटलाइन, बट यू आर डिजाइनिंग अ सेमी सर्क्यूलर बेली, तो थोड़ा सा ब्लैक चाहिए. सो इट विल बी इंटरेस्टिंग.
Okay, ma'am.
फाइन, ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
देन दिस इज रूपाली. आप ये तो आपने भेजा था ना तीनों इकट्ठा. अच्छा नहीं, आपने इसको ठीक किया है. इसको आपने ठीक किया है थोड़ा सा, राइट. इसको ब्लैक से आउटलाइन करो. फाइन. और बाकी क्वेश्चंस पे भी वर्क करना शुरू करो, ठीक है. ओके, इट्स नाइस. एटलीस्ट यू अंडरस्टैंड कि अब क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन एंड हाउ यू आर वर्किंग. ऑलराइट, ओके, फाइन. देन आई हैव टू वाइंड अप फॉर टुडे. Let me plan if we can meet again soon. Okay, so don't forget, apply for all the institutes, take entrances, solve questions. Please don't compile 500 questions. उन 500 में अगर 50 क्वेश्चन भी तुम सॉल्व कर लोगे तुम्हारा काम बन जाएगा. ठीक है, so solve questions. Okay, bye bye, all the best.